So sophomore year of high school, AP US history class, we would do these like reenactments of Supreme Court cases. And it was supposed to be kind of like if you were to redo the case in present day, how would you decide the outcome? So my classmates and I were assigned Korematsu versus the United States, which was the 1944 Supreme Court case that was surrounding the Japanese-American internment. In 1944, the Supreme Court voted against Korematsu, essentially to sustain that it was okay to incarcerate Japanese Americans, and my classmates decided to do the same in present day. Thinking back to like my family, so I'm Japanese American and my grandmother was incarcerated. I think that really stuck with me and has always been part of the reason that I've wanted to kind of get involved in the legal field. My name is Christine McFadden, and I am from Portland, Oregon. I graduated from Stanford University in 2012, and I currently work as a program manager at a tech company. I started on their legal team, on their in-house legal team, so I got a lot of exposure to just various legal fields. I thought that the work and the subject matter really interested me, really suited me, and I just sort of always had it in the back of my mind as something that I would pursue. I wanted to live in Seattle. I think it's like the perfect place in my opinion. You can go to the mountains and the ocean in like a single day if you wanted to. And just loving how close everything is to nature. Really felt like home from the second we moved here. I had actually applied to UW a couple years back, got in and deferred admission. There was a lot going on with work at the time and it felt like the wrong choice to leave my team. But now it feels like they're in a much better place and I'm in a much more ready place as well to go. So we are currently in Occidental Square. I used to work about 2 blocks down this way on South King Street. My last day of work was last Friday. This has been, I think, the second day now into the official fun employment stage of my pre-law school phase. My husband, Max, who's also a student, I think mentally we're both kind of preparing to be students at the same time again. We're also, trying to make sure that we change our expectations. We're not going to have, weekends free anymore. We're not necessarily going to have our nights free. And so, maybe instead of binge watching that show, we'll go have like a study party together or something in the library. I'm going to have to be okay with, I think, being in a situation where I'm a little bit uncomfortable, but I think it's good. Being uncomfortable is good. I think it's what challenges you to become a better person. Thinking back to some of the events in my life that have inspired me to go to law school, I'll kind of go back to just helping people that are underrepresented. And I think wanting to stay true to myself and pursue that is important to me. So I think that's one reason UW stands out as a place where I think I can really do that. Kind of see a law degree as you're getting like another superpower in a way. You're kind of getting this ability to do things that one without a degree wouldn't be able to do. And so I think getting this degree will help me kind of break into other fields and have an impact where I wasn't able to before.